Kia ora. My name is Gemma Hogan.
My name is Peter Bell.
So my name is Wendy and I work at Sealord. I'm a factory manager there for the coated plant.
I'm a research technologist at Plant and Food Research here in Nelson.
I'm Mahi o Wakatu, so I work with Wakatu Incorporation, and I'm here for the Applied Innovation course. I just needed to refresh my thinking. So I guess I'm coming from the aspect of being an entrepreneur within my business. We're just looking to innovate and see where we can make enhancements.
Working through the process of coming up with a much stronger story, both to take to people within your organisation, so you get a lot of innovative ideas across the line. It isn't going to industry, it's actually starting at home with management and people who make those decisions.
What this has given me is the tools now to map that process out much better, and then when I'm trying to present it to the wider group, getting them in earlier, getting them more involved in the process, and then using all those tools to get to where I need to be, to where I do the final presentation to the board of directors asking for funds for the go ahead. And this got some really good tools, really good tools.
Courses like this are really fundamental just to take you out of your day-to-day, because they give you applied learning, they give you frameworks, and they give you a new way of seeing things, and perhaps also to test some of the existing ways of doing business.
Definitely would, especially for organisations who are wanting to enter into this space or transitioning into it. It's a different skill set and it's a different mindset from a lot of day-to-day work that goes on, and even if you're not actively involved, understanding the process to support.
Definitely anybody that's thinking of making improvements or new products. However, all these tools can be applied to that, and I would definitely say if someone had the opportunity to grab it and do the course, it's been very enjoyable.